Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, good morning to all of you. Yeah, so all 11th standard and 12th standard. How many of you are from 11th and how many of you are from 12th? 11. 11. All 11. Wow, very nice. So you have selected science with some ideas. Yeah? Yeah. Why did you take science? Why science only? One or two of you can answer. You must have taken science. You want to become an engineer, doctor, architecture, something. So very important period of your life. Children's a science exhibition that you have done, which is on sustainability. It's a very wonderful thing because our honorable Prime Minister talks about sustainability. Today you have just not made charts, models and experiments. It's a factor of curiosity, creativity and innovation. This three has joined today. Were you not curious when you did the experiment? Yes. You tried to find out from the teacher. You asked many questions. You went into the library, searched the books. Then comes creativity. So you have created and followed by innovations. Children's that you have taken science, don't worry what percentage you got in 10th standard. You require to work sincerely with science. What do I mean by working sincerely with science? Every concept requires to be clear with you. Then only you can think out of the box. So this is how you are supposed to study science with understanding. So try to study science with correlation and you will never forget. You know, in my BSc, we had something called as carbohydrate family. You have to do the D structure and the L structure. D is dextro, L is levo. Okay, and there are 8, 8, 16 structures. How do you remember? It's very difficult. A small change in the carbon chain, OH on the right hand side or on the left hand side changes. You have glucose, mannose, galactose, lactose. There's only change in the OH group in the structure. So that time my teacher taught me one word. All altruists gladly make gum in gallon tanks. If you ask the meaning of it, it has no meaning. And my teachers taught me some steps. That first draw carbon skeleton. So 8 carbon skeleton, 4 on the top, 4 at the bottom. Write the CHO, CH2OH, all common. Then go from the bottom, HOH on the same side because the second last carbon, the fifth carbon carries the OH on the right hand side. That's its dextro. The remaining 8 structures, the fifth carbon would carry the OH on the left hand side, that's levo. So that's how they told me the formula and I remembered the steps. So the first structure is allose, all allose, all altruist is altrose, gladly is glucose, make is mannose, in is iodose, tank is talose. So this is how I remembered. So you have to always remember science with understanding. The day you start memorizing, you lose science. You lose science. You are not scientific. Every one of us can become scientific. Only if we do, you have to ask your teacher when they explain. When the concept she's talking in scientific way, so you ask her, ma'am, give day-to-day experiments. Where can I use this? And you will never forget that. Are you getting my point? So which two questions you're supposed to ask in science whenever you do something? Two questions. Why? How? Very right. Clap for him. He knows it. Why and how. Got it? So this is called as scientific temperament. And remember, children, don't leave science. I always find my 12th standard students, they leave and go for BMS. Never leave it. Science, there are plentiful of jobs. Plentiful of jobs. Without science, we cannot survive. That's the situation. And so much innovations going about. Who is doing innovations? It's the scientific people. So don't leave science. Study well. You're in 11th standard. You're required to study how much hours a day? 4 to 5 hours. Self. 4 hours of your theoretical, 1 hour for your maths. You require to do maths every day. Don't leave maths. Very dangerous. If you leave maths, you're lost. You're lost. Whether you're a doctor or an engineer, both the people requires maths. When a doctor places the pacemaker, you know pacemaker? Yeah, that supports the heart to give open the heart, the right auricle. That also they have to calculate with the tape to see where they are placing. So you should not leave maths. Your at the same time your English should be strong because language is required everywhere. And study well children. तुम लोग का तो 2 साल है. 2 साल में you can make your career. Very short period. जी जान लगा के पढ़ लो. 2 साल में go to some best of the institute. You may go to any engineering college. You know the electrician of my college is a engineer. The electrician of my college is an engineer because he did somewhere from remote areas. He did not have good teachers. He did not have experiments, the practical facility. So he became an engineer, but he is an electrician now. So do you want to be such type of engineer? You become mechanical engineer and work as a plumber. Do you want to become that? No, no. So study well these 2 years. Wish you all the best. And I'm very sure you must have enjoyed doing experiments. Got connected to your teachers. Yes. Got connected. Do you love your teachers? Yeah. You require to love them. Yeah. Then only you love the subject. I love my chemistry teacher a lot. So I took chemistry. Right? Okay. Thank you very much.